Alright, hello everyone. Today it is June 7th, 2026, about 4:40 Central Time. We are about to go live. We're about to go live here in about 20 minutes. But we're gonna go over here today's threat real quick. Stuff is already starting to get underway. You see, we have a PDS Thursday Watch up here in North Dakota, the Dakotas, Wyoming, and Montana, and Tornado Watch down here in Missouri and Arkansas. They did upgrade today's risk to a moderate 4 out of 5 risk, as well as the wind threat to a 45% level 2 out of 3 risk. We are expecting to have a big severe weather day. We're gonna have up to 100-mile-per-hour winds possible up here in the Dakotas and Montana, because we're gonna have a derecho come through here late tonight. This includes cities like Bismarck, Minot, Williston, Miles City, Sheridan, Gillette. And down here in our tornado watch, which was issued about 2 hours ago, places like Springfield and Bentonville are included. We're also having some flash flooding right now happening. Lots of flash flooding happening in northern Alabama and southern Tennessee. As you can see, we have a flash flood emergency right now in Huntsville, Alabama, and New Market. Here, let's go into our models here. You can see we are it is about 5 p.m. right now. It's at 5 p.m. We have scattered storms down here in Missouri, lots of which are severe warned right now for this tornado watch. We had a lot of tornado warnings down here in southern Missouri earlier. Up here, we can start to see our storms forming. If we go into the 6th hour, we can see our storms are starting to get more organized, and you can see they're starting to get into more of a line. They will become more of a line as we go throughout the night. But we're starting to see some more scattered storms that could be severe. One or two could be severe here in central and mid and kind of western Missouri. Now, as we go into the 7 p.m. hour, we can see our main watch is going to be these 4 storms out here in Montana and South Dakota. They'll eventually move it to North Dakota. Also, we'll have these 2 storms popping up here in North Dakota, which will likely be severe. Now, 8 p.m. is when our derecho starts to get severe. This is when our winds start to get high. This is when our derecho starts to form. So we can see all our storms that we were talking about are starting to form into a line. That is going to be our derecho that will occur tonight. These will produce at least up to 100-mile-per-hour winds. Cause a lot of damage. And a few tornadoes will also be possible at this. Some large hail pre-derecho. And now we can see 9 p.m. That's our derecho right there. We can see our full derecho here for Dickinson and Minot. Places like Dickinson, Bismarck, Minot will get hit by this eventually. This is at 9 p.m. We can fully see our derecho. Also, down here in Missouri, we'll continue to have scattered storms throughout the entire day. Now we go into the 10 p.m. hour. This is where our derecho continues, picking up even more. It moves closer into places like Minot and Bismarck. Now at 11, we can see our derecho continuing. Push into North Dakota. It might be a little scattered, which it won't be. This is just a model, so this will still be packing a punch once it moves towards Bismarck. Missouri, it will be a severe threat earlier in the day, but this is going to become more of a flash flooding threat. We're having a big flood. We're having a flash flood or flooding threat down here in Missouri and Illinois today. So we're mainly watching our flooding. As we push into the overnight hours, our derecho starts to dematerialize, but we're still watching these storms down here in southern North Dakota and northern South Dakota, as these could still be severe. We could see another line in the early morning pushing into Minnesota. Alright, that is all we have for you right now. We will be live in about 15 minutes, so hold on and tune into that. So we will see you all on the live stream tonight in about 15 minutes. Goodbye.